Hello, everyone. I'm Nena Dhingra, and I'm a PhD student at ETH Zurich. I'm going to give talk on lightweight, efficient, fine-grained head pose estimation. Head pose estimation has several important applications, such as in providing the information to blind and visually impaired people where the other person is looking. It is also used in autonomous driving. It is quite often used to understand the user behavior in in-person attention modeling and for several other applications of human-computer interaction and for augmented and virtual reality user input. Head pose estimation can be defined using three angles, which are yaw, pitch, and roll, as shown in the figure where they are taken on three perpendicular axes. In literature, there are broadly two different ways to deal with estimation of head poses. One approach is to first detect the key points and then use those key points to get the head pose. And the second approach is to directly use the input image to estimate the head pose. In this paper, we use non-key point based approach due to its better performance than the key points based approach. We use three publicly available datasets to conduct the experiments. 300W LP dataset is the synthetic dataset, which is acquired from 300W dataset. AFLW 2000 dataset is a real-world dataset and has different illuminations, expressions, and poses. BV dataset is also a real-world dataset having 20 subjects in an indoor setting. The bounding box of the heads are not included in this dataset. To deal with the problem of head pose estimation, this paper proposes a lightweight network called as LW Poser, which is a two-stream, three-stage network. It uses mixture of depthwise separable convolutions and transformer encoders. The output from both the streams are joined together by element-wise multiplication followed by a 1x1 convolution layer to transform the features to C channels. The output from all the stages have same dimensions. Output from each stage is fed into a linear layer to predict the pose. The predicted head poses, PQs, are combined using the equation shown, in which P is the final predicted head pose and PQ is the qth predicted pose. The weighted term alpha q is found empirically. There are two protocols which are widely followed in literature to conduct the evaluation for head pose estimation. We use the same two protocols, that is P1, which uses 300W LP dataset for training and AFLW 2000 and BV dataset for testing. Second protocol is P2, which uses BV dataset for both testing and training, where 70% data is used for training and 30% for evaluation. The results of protocol P1 show that the LW Poser has the least number of parameters as compared to the other networks. As compared to SSRNet MD, LW Poser has less number of parameters as well as improved mean absolute error, making it the best performing lightweight network. For protocol P2, again, LW Poser is the network with lowest number of parameters as well as it outperforms SSRNet MD. Although TriNet performs quite efficiently for this protocol, but it has more than 200 times parameters. The log graph visualization also shows that the LW Poser has the least parameters as shown by the green star in the figure and has low mean absolute error when compared to lightweight networks. The qualitative results also show that LW Poser performs quite efficiently and closely to ground truth when compared to FSANet. I conclude the presentation by saying that LW Poser can be used for mobile applications where it is required to have low power computation. It outperforms other networks with similar number of parameters. Furthermore, it might be useful to employ LW Poser for similar regression tasks. Thank you for your attention.